Limbo by Tanya Shatseva in 100 by 66 cm rounds version 1 special treatment starts with electric diamonds sprinkled in all of the white areas. So these are mainly in the background. All the areas that you see are white. Sprinkle the electric diamonds on those areas. This gives it a very subtle sheen. Limbo 100 by 66 cm rounds version 2 now adds sapphire crystals to the painting to give it that starry galaxy look. I've got, hey Zuli, hi, be careful, okay? So this is version 2 special treatment, and basically you place the sapphire crystals in all of the blue areas, mainly on her hair and in the background. Alright, let's move on to version 3. Limbo by Tanya Shatseva in 100 by 66 cm rounds, version 3 special treatment. Now adds magenta and morganite. Magenta for the red areas, like this large flower on the bottom, and some of the red specks in the galaxy themed background. We also have some pink areas, and that's where we sprinkle the morganite crystals, mainly in the pink backgrounds over here. As well as on some parts of her face to give it a nice shimmer.